Are you tired of buying AI tools that promise the world but take a tech degree just to set up? What if you could hire 3 of the smartest AI workers on the planet in under 5 minutes without touching a single line of code? Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at OneManArmy. My honest take, if you are a solo operator, an affiliate marketer, or an agency owner, this is the exact platform that will stop you from doing all the grunt work yourself. It completely removes the technical nightmares of running advanced AI. Plus, I have put together a massive bonus package you can only get through my link below. So, what exactly is OneManArmy? It is the world's first cloud-hosted command dashboard that puts an entire AI team behind you. The biggest problem with advanced AI bots right now is that they require servers, Docker installations, and complex API keys. OneManArmy fixes that. It gives you 3 best-in-class open-source bots all in one place. Paperclip is your manager who plans the work. OpenClaw is your executioner who actually does the tasks. And Hermes is your memory bank that learns your brand voice. You do not need any coding skills. You just log in and put them to work.
Welcome to One Man Army. I'm Rohit Shah, one of the builders behind it. Let me show you what we made. 3 of the most used AI agents on the planet. One dashboard live in minutes. Working for you or working for clients who pay you every single month to set this up. Before I show you the dashboard, I want you to understand why we built this. The 3 bots are Paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes. These aren't random little AI tools somebody threw together last week. This is OpenRouter. It tracks how much these agents are actually getting used across the whole world. Look where they sit, right at the top. Hermes alone has used more tokens than the rest of the top 5 agents combined. That's combined. And that's not hype, that's real usage from people running real operations. And because they are open source, they are some of the most starred projects on GitHub right now. Updated constantly, getting better constantly. So the demand for these bots is already here. So why doesn't everyone just run these themselves? Because it's brutal. If you try to set this up yourself, you have to deal with servers, Docker, API keys, credit, security, updates, and keeping everything online 24/7. And a laptop won't cut it. Your laptop shuts down, your internet drops, things break, updates change. And if you're setting this up for a client, you can't exactly tell them the bot only works when your laptop happens to be open. Then there is the risk. One security slip on a server doing real work gets expensive fast. That's the part people don't see coming. And on top of all of it, the AI model itself costs money wherever you run it. So here's the real value. It was never just getting access to these agents. It's making them easy to deploy, easy to run, and easy to sell as a proper AI automation system. That's exactly why we built One Man Army. Here's the whole setup. Watch how fast this is. I pick a bot, I choose complementary AI access. That's the model access included, so there's no wallet to load. I click create, that's it. It's spinning up. Let me do the other two while that runs. OpenClaw, Hermes, a couple of clicks each, and done. 3 world-class AI agents live. No Docker, no server to rent, no API key to hunt down. We host it, we secure it, we keep it updated. What takes a developer a full weekend, you just did 3 times in under a minute. Now let me show you what these actually do. And as I go, keep one thing in mind. Everything here you can also do for a client and charge for it. Start with Paperclip. This isn't a chatbot. It's an AI company. I give it a goal. Let's say run an AI automation agency that sells to local businesses. I hand that to the CEO. And the CEO doesn't just answer me. It plans, it works out which role it needs, and it asks to hire them: a sales agent, a solutions engineer, an account manager. Nothing happens until I say yes. I approve. And now I've got a team, a real org chart, all working towards the goal I set. Need more firepower? I can drop in a ready made specialist in seconds, like one that creates images. Deployed, done. That's the part that's different. You're not talking to one assistant, you are running a company. You stay in command, the team does the work. Next, OpenClaw. This one's the field operator, the one that goes out and does things. Watch this. I'll ask it to find me a new dentist in New York who'd benefit from AI automation with their phone number and their website. And there they are, a prospect list in seconds. Think about what that actually is. That's your client pipeline. People sell lists like this. Your bot just built one while we were talking. Now, Hermes. Hermes is the memory, and it's quietly the most valuable one. Every other AI tool starts from zero every time. You re explain your business every Monday. Hermes doesn't. It remembers. Watch. I'll load in a client, ABC Dental in New York. Their tone, their offer, their audience, Hermes saves it. It knows that client now for good. And here's where it pays off. I'll ask it, based on what you know about ABC Dental, build a one-page marketing plan, make it client ready, and email it to me. And look, there's the plan, clean, formatted as a PDF, and it just emailed it to me from my own verified domain. That's a deliverable an agency charges $300 to $500 for. Then in about a minute by a bot that already knows the client. And none of this is chained to your desk. I can hook Hermes up to Telegram and run the whole thing from my phone. I fire off a task from Telegram, find today's AI news, and post it on my X account. And it's done. Post it. That's the difference hosting makes. It's running around the clock while you sleep, while you're sitting with the client. The work just keeps going. So let's talk about the real opportunity here. Everything I just showed you, finding leads, remembering clients, building plans, posting content, running a whole AI team, every bit of that you can do for other people. Local businesses, founders, agencies, they're all looking for exactly this right now. And they'll happily pay you every month for it because they understand the truth. Hosting costs money, AI access costs money, security and updates cost money. Agencies are charging $5,000 a month to set up the exact system you just watched. People are doing single setups on Upwork for $500 to $2,500 each. You get commercial rights from day one. Use it for yourself or install it for clients and bill them monthly. It's your call. So that is One Man Army. Three of the hottest AI agents right now: Paperclip to plan, OpenClaw to execute, Hermes to remember and improve. All deployed from one dashboard, hosted for you with complimentary AI access included. You can use it to run your own work faster, or you can sell AI automation systems to clients with commercial rights included. This is Rohit Shah, the builder of One Man Army. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.
Let us jump inside the dashboard so you can see how easy this is. As you can see on the screen, there is no confusing terminal window. It's just a clean interface. To start, you simply click Deploy on the bot you want to use. Let's say you need a new marketing campaign. You talk to Paperclip. It acts like a CEO, breaks down the goal, and hires the right AI agents for the job. Then OpenClaw takes over. It can write content, do research, and run workflows. You can even control OpenClaw and Hermes directly from your phone using Telegram or Discord. Everything is hosted in the cloud, so you're up and running in minutes.
Look, if you've been buying AI tools but still feel like you're doing most of the work yourself, pay very close attention because the astounding OneManArmy is not just another chatbot. It's the next step. One person, one dashboard. It turns you into a superhuman with an entire AI army behind you, doing things like this. Hey, I'm Todd Gross, and here's the truth that most people are starting to realize. The businesses that win over the next few years will not necessarily be the ones with the biggest teams. They'll be the ones deploying AI workers faster than everyone else. Because real AI companies do not run on one conversation window. No, sir. They run on planning, on execution, on research, memory, reporting, and support, and also follow-up and decision-making. Different roles working together around one mission. And for the first time, AI can finally operate that way too. That's the shift that's happening right now. It raises a very important question. What if you could combine the most powerful AI systems, not into one chatbot, not into one assistant, but into an AI workforce working for you? What if one AI could plan, another could execute, and another could remember, learn, and improve, all working in parallel around your business goal? Now that's exactly what OneManArmy was built to do. Inside one hosted dashboard, you get access to 3 powerful AI systems: Paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes. All 3 of them. That's 3 specialized AI workers available together, working as one army. The incredible Paperclip acts as the planner. You give it a goal, and it organizes the mission, breaks the tasks apart, and structures execution. OpenClaw acts as the operator. It executes work, performs actions, and handles operations. And Hermes, it acts as the intelligence and, importantly, the memory layer. It remembers your business, your clients, your campaigns, your style, and the context you do not want to explain over and over and over again. You could use them individually when you want one specific role, or run all 3 in parallel when you want the full AI army working around one objective. And this is where OneManArmy becomes fundamentally different from most AI software on the market. Most AI tools still depend on you to do nearly everything manually. And most so-called AI team apps are not real autonomous systems at all. They're generic bots that are passing messages back and forth, simulated teamwork, not specialized AI infrastructure like this. OneManArmy is different. These are real AI systems with real operational roles. That's planning, execution, and memory. All 3 running for you from one hosted dashboard. And we handle the difficult part for you, because normally running systems like this requires installations, servers, APIs, maintenance, updates, troubleshooting, and constant technical management. Most people don't want to become AI engineers just to use AI seriously. They want the outcome. So we built OneManArmy to remove that barrier completely. With no Docker, no terminal, no setup nightmare. You just simply log in through your browser. You deploy your AI workers and start building. And during your included access period, you do not even need outside API keys to get started. But this goes beyond productivity because while you can deploy AI workers for yourself, you can also deploy them for clients. Of course, businesses everywhere are trying to figure out how to integrate AI into their planning, support, operations, research, follow-up, and content creation, and most of them have absolutely no idea where to begin. That creates a massive hole and opportunity for early adopters like you. And right now, you are indeed early. Most people are still using AI one prompt at a time, but the next wave is already here. That is AI workers, AI roles, and AI systems coordinating together around one mission. And that is where everything is going. And while everyone else is still opening tabs and typing prompts manually, you're the one that can start deploying an actual AI workforce today. So click the button below now and lock in that launch pricing. Get instant access to OneManArmy. Deploy your first AI workers and start running your business like there's a real team behind you. One person, one dashboard, and of course, super powered with an entire army, an AI army behind you.
Now let's talk about the upgrades. The front end gives you the core dashboard and 2 bot deployments for a one-time fee of $47. But if you want to make serious money, you need to grab the bundle deal. The bundle gives you all the upgrades at a massive discount. First, you get the Pro version. This lets you run 5 bots at the same time and unlocks advanced skills. Next is the Personas upgrade. This gives you a library of done-for-you AI employees you can deploy with one click. You also get Agency Platinum. This gives you a fully built agency website and a commercial license to sell these AI services to local clients. Finally, it includes Reseller Pro, so you can sell OneManArmy accounts and keep 100% of the cash. Grabbing the bundle saves you over $100 compared to buying these one by one. To make this an absolute no-brainer, I've put together a custom bonus package perfectly designed to help you get traffic and clients for your new AI agency. You'll get all 10 of these exclusive bonuses for free when you grab OneManArmy through the link below. Bonus 1, Client Extractor. Instantly pull local business data from Google Maps to find clients who need your AI services. Bonus 2, Facebook Reviewer. Capture leads and ratings so you can easily sell reputation management services. Bonus 3, Affiliate Sales Engine. Automatically create high-converting banners to promote your services. Bonus 4, Lead Book Generator. Automatically pull fresh leads from Facebook directly into your email list. Bonus 5, Gram Suite. Put your Instagram engagement and growth on complete autopilot. Bonus 6, Pin Marketer. Drive massive amounts of free traffic from Pinterest while your AI handles the content. Bonus 7, Clickable Images Bot. Post clickable image links across 5 major social networks for instant viral traffic. Bonus 8, WP Email Timer Plus. Force quick sales by adding urgency countdown timers directly inside your emails. Bonus 9, Sales Page Recycler. Quickly reuse your best landing pages to test new offers fast. Bonus 10, Coupon Wheel. Give your website visitors a spinning wheel to win discounts, which builds your email list on steroids. OneManArmy is the smartest investment you can make this year if you want to scale your income without working more hours. But you need to act right now. The creators are moving this to a monthly subscription very soon. If you buy today, you lock in the one-time launch price forever. Plus, my 10 exclusive bonuses are strictly limited to the first 25 buyers. Once those 25 spots are filled, I'm pulling the bonus page down for good. Do not pay monthly fees later when you can get it for a single payment today. Click the link in the description right now to secure your copy of OneManArmy and claim your massive bonus package. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to App Verdict, and leave a comment below. Your bonuses will be automatically waiting for you inside your JVZoo receipt area. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.